Hello guys, what's up? It's your girl Mandy K and I'm here today in town. God, it's trending issues, but today we are talking about something different. If you are given the chance to become the president of Ghana for a day, what will you do? For me, I don't even know what to do because taking care of 3 siblings is not that easy. But you, let's get the opinions and reactions from the people. Stay tuned. Hello, I'm Mandy K. What about you?
I'm Jonas Nikwe.
Oh, okay. Please, I want to ask you, if you are given the opportunity to become the president of Ghana, what will you like to change in the country?
Oh, honestly, thank you very much. When I'm being made a president, what will happen is that I'll make sure all citizens enjoy free water, free accommodation, and their salaries too should be good.
The free too.
Oh yeah, free things they are working for, because at least that's why we are paying tax and things. So whenever we are paying tax, we pay more tax, then everyone will be enjoying. It's Ghana money.
Yes.
So every citizen must enjoy.
So please, is that all the vision you have for Ghana when you come into power?
Oh, the last one is on accommodation. We will help everyone to get his or accommodation. Yes, so that renting, because in Accra here renting is very serious. So when you are working and you are having some apartment, you feel free to operate. So I feel that giving them accommodation will be the best.
The message first, your social security, any your birth certificate. The mayor say, you are hospital bia or Ghana has say a that day na I see a mouse social security. The amount birth certificate. And son, I be you a free hospital on. Now could Tasaniama way na. Tisaniama no kutan birth certificate in any social security number. And they do be qua copim da ube into pa na day. A free system ni mu eno susu beboa ama say ye beto aba afi na obekwa akosa line ansa na wagye wo number ansa emma eniema ne ye bebre titam bia ye wu susu a esi ye birth certificate death certificate mu nti ne ye yi omo awu na ye den afri mu titam bia ye hu ni pa o maka e wo man ni mu because birth and death for no mu nyina ye adwuma baako nti omu ni momo awu e na omu ni momo susu a omo ya den omo ti ase nti ye ne saa no emma ti say ye koto aba afi no bi kwa akosa line ye koye we afi na akosa line umekra unhu chese gise o nantiko post office enu mu nyina mesisa obia benya na yi wo fie ti say de say o mampani abedi akira ye digital no ubi bia wo ho ni ya employ nkrofo bebre a omo di letters no be nanti akofie mu ye be mo omo car ana moto nekuta area bia nipa be se 1000 e wo ho no mu to omo call runs ye do bia mail akohye na ayi mu ebe ma friend say youth ne kura ye den enya adwuma ye afensu so because of who social security na wo be set ninti no edi wani mu ti ubi bia ba bia obekoye adwuma bia na even kaya yofo ne kura mpo eso mu nyina omo hokes omo di niema ekọ achima ni nyina so bia nya ni social security ni birth certificate ama watimi e di abobra kopem so obewu nya fe na ukoye bibia yese braha anansa na wakoye we ansa na wakoye we obi wo ho wanyini pa to na oni birth certificate so ati ase enye se wo ye government work nkwa e na ese ye ma wo social security we government work unya government work e say unya social security e wo life mu nso so me de kakra me na ebiem nso education side nso so say the president yo ye no eye pa eti awofo no ne ye wo mu me be ye president a be hyemu kina ama na ye den akosoro because sika wo de be kwa akototo ne ema yi no wo de to books ma wo ba me ba ko bi me ba ko tamani ye tua school fees no mi hu se de na tie na de o ko se so on tua school fees nso mi hu se de na tie eti no meboa na chese awofo no bia de ne ba yeden etimi akọ school kakra benya na de autobus government na ebu na so wo ye den wo bua me so me de no
that's pa waje nchewe de eye pa ye that's me bon pa say president no me hwe na wafefa nyama bi efim that's na me show
because me Martin America me was social security me marry was social security ho na me wo mu nyina up to now me see her but in social security ye adwuma me ba girl we school last 3 years okoye no me social security me te Ghana ene na support no money go school ho no oko university ho no ene na support no what I say me wo mo no susu no nka it's a free maternal care ninti no na ntia hwe nka wo me $36,000 na betria because me was social security ninti no me ntia hwe yetiti ni kakran every medjuma ameye mu up to semenya 65 years so what I say 65 years na social security na omotete me no edjuma ameye ni nti no ombesan reden aro fondo me de half amame de be ka no susu no eye me ma no adwapade omususu nyina susu wo social security if you see yes sir be bo man no ama ye ho ahenhan ye na mpanifo no mu disika no wo social security ontimi nwie sika nkotu baabi wo better because any nyina correspond to pepepe into ontimi ndi bone emfa nkonkohye obi so what I say don't print bibi ontimi fancy so what I say etina ayi abrofu ni kro wudi bone 100 years kra mpa one day pe ye betimi abaye den aba abechi.
First of all no I'll tackle the security matters in this country. One say for the past years ababechi mu no armed robbery adoso okro mu papa. It is the president Nyamaya said, "My employ security personnel at all the advantage points of these big cities." So me employ one Nyamaya said, "Me mama and share security at area ya di ko ejuma no."
Be your multi say spice.
Be your multi say spice. Be spread across the cities. And you know, so spread across the cities, especially baby. Various financial institutions, banks, ni other financial institutions meaning some to me apply trade with honum no me seti san crofon na se me plant san crofon no e wo honum se na be ya sell one more going for their activities the security can just walk straight into them and then deal with them ruthlessly. Say chairman say expel if they find out that there is some people trying to ply their trade through stealing, they should be gunned down immediately. That will bring or that will because sometimes you say you arrest someone the one call through the law process now. Those people still come out and then ply the same trade that they are in. And you know, say to me, I gun it down immediately. Ebema obi anoso edi no hu beka akoshe saa de no mu no. Obenya agensakra. Obenya agensakra intena no na nka wo se so mutaka. Ebetumi aboa pa ma o man akonene.
As young youth no, ana youth eba no, omunye adwuma nye. Nti omuma omawofo ebre pa nti me say me be president am first thing on my target say o say me ma youth no anya adwuma ye say na be ya omawofo so embre bebre o ba hu Ghana no say ye wo no obi ye adwuma na ketia no so enso e bia wo nkola be 4 3 4 5 o ye adwuma ni ire kan onu papa mu anu su kan na ketua no sa nti as a president you say who create more jobs na say youth no ba na say omo ye adwuma omo su omo hu beto omo kakra on say na mten afi schools awufo no su I say omo su omo tumi hwe omo mba ye wo school kom pa say na be ya say more jobs ba ombenya bi aye me no to me no me so me kakra me wa e wo say me kan no
wow wo de ne say wo be page mama Ghana for ye na ye ejuma na enya sika ekonomi be ko ekonomi be ye kwate obi a be gye ne ho krono na be jai ne
sa obi a ma sa krono ni nyoma no ahun say eso be ti kakra yo say no ejuma ni ho obi be ti na ejuma enye go obi na be ti na ejuma akoti onu epe no e no de be ma wo so what I say ba ejuma wona so obi e ejuma bi o form na me ni ye mo ba me hu say na kwa me kuma e wo ejuma mo nti obi a ekoba e ejuma sa nti on say krom ye de pa e wanu nti say sese
me da se pass woni mi atwetwe nkomo na I de ne de me pepa nyame nshraw me ye sure say your president o hwewe ya obefa nyama bi efim ye da se pa
madam o ye ejuma ni be ma o ejuma ni oba ejuma ni obia ewo even the whole so what I say o koba o ye ejuma o so un beto
Pacho you from gifting.
Okay, man gifting. Pacho ye ma opportunity say be president of Ghana no nyama be na obesesa wo kronim.
Nyama mesesa wo kronim me say me ejuma abaya my Ghana because ye hia ejuma ma ye youth no. Ye hia ejuma am robbers. Ni me koso no ye kunkum en ye say ejuma wo man mu a anka me gini say wo nyina beba ne saa. Oh ade na company say ye gu na say ejuma ye ma brofo no di ejuma ba man mu na ye support ye tetefo kwa me nkrom ejuma na we gya no mama ejuma na we gya no ye di kan fo ejuma na we gya nyina ye support ye fe ya ho de nrewrom bani fo fesi kan hyem samia anka saa na maye no na saa ejuma no nyina so aba na omo ye youth na ye ejuma na ye ma no so ye ne te saa dochi a ebeboa ye nti me de anka saa na maye na fi nkurase no so ese ye man suo school eba ho ye siesie man ye man mo fra no ko school because some no ye omo ye dachi ye ni ho so mo be hwe ye man ti ye mo anko school ni siesie nkurase school ye sisi school dey to be si school na ye jesi nram ye nhwe ye mboa na asan kosi foforo emboa because some me president anka saa na meye because me man school si njuma abaman mu ohu ye youth no mo hu hia ye pa mo hia dachi onyo mo ye dwane kwa abrobobi ma so ikokokwa ne asan ba ye man nti ha eno mo ye to ha so ne kwa ne ye ye ne asan dia ba nti se ye hwa man no na ye ma adwuma ba ye ko bi ma no mo ye yade nso ye man mo ba na ye jeje o mo so to se nti masema me wo kana no.
I think I would probably lift up the legacy of the founding fathers of Ghana, and they have done a lot for this country, and they made Ghana one of the country trying to set himself aside especially in West Africa. So I will probably try to bring up those things forward and then shine a light on their legacy. So, and then also right now we often hear corruption up and down here and there, and then I think this is something I should put an end to so that the country can be able to move ahead together.
Okay, so if you want to change the corruption when you become a president, what special tactics do you have? Because a lot of presidents have come and they promised to change and stop corruption, but still it's going on. So what special tactics do you have?
Yeah, I think this is something very basic, the right man at the right place. There is no tactic to fight corruption. You can only fight corruption when you have the right people doing the right job. And if you put someone doing the thing that he knows, he will likely do it well. And if you put, for example, mechanics as a doctor, there will probably be corruption because he can do the work of the doctor, and then he will probably find someone who is a doctor to do the work at his place. And if you have someone doing your work, and that person can, take advantage of you. And this is what is happening currently in the country. You see people, they are not qualified or they don't have the skill that is required to do this type of job, and they are those kind of position, and then other people are behind them doing the wrong things, and at the end of the day, all the problem and the issue that come out lie on them, and then ultimately it is the president that we all accuse that, oh, he's not doing the work. Meanwhile, the president cannot look at every part of the country. He needs to appoint people doing the work, and if he can't appoint the right people, at the end of the day, he will be the one who will be, look at wrong. Yeah.
Naturally, what I'll do is to tackle more seriously about the youth. So the youth of the nation now, our big men, they don't consider us a lot. So what I'll do is, I'll make sure most of our big men around 70s to 60 up to 65, they should give way to the youth so that they can exploit more about agric especially.
I would like to improve and every other thing, right from governance to infrastructure, to education, to health, to many other things. To many other things, you see. So there are a lot of things I would like to improve on as far as this thing is concerned, the governance or being the president of this nation is concerned. Basically, I would like to say I will improve on governance by making sure that our governance system is well structured to the extent that corruption will be totally eradicated or almost eradicated. When as a president, basically I think your focus should be on making sure that everything you give out should be achieved. Everything you give out, you make sure that you make a follow-up. Every time try to make a follow-up to everything you give. There should be an institution that will focus on that particular subject. Like follow-up, making sure that there are institutions that do follow-up. But then I think it also leads to another side of corruption, whereby we are now is moving Ghana onto a technological dispensation where everything will become technology. That means it will totally reduce corruption. You see, and then the other thing is focusing on education, so that when the people have education, then technology usage will be more simpler. Now technology usage is not more simple because our rural folks cannot have all the technologies like the urban areas, because education rate is still not that very good. Most of our students end up at JHS and find themselves in the street. When you go to the other rural folks, you see the children end up at JHS and find themselves. So the improvement of the education, which is also on its very good track, like Nana has brought up, will also help the nation to improve on education. It also makes, like I said earlier, technology more simpler. The whole thing is when you really, as a government, you really want to reduce corruption, you must introduce something that will prevent the corruption entirely. And introducing it has to do with other ministries or other departments. Such as, if you reduce corruption by introducing technology, then you must educate the people to enable them use the technology you are introducing. So then you must find a way to make education simple and easier.
So, your opportunity to be president of Ghana. And then I'll best say one mind.
But my way gone. If I care, I will president the first cinema PPG. Cinema manana amid the constitution. constitution ake o constitution ni African president self ya favor of the presidents was ma fe amendments but mana ke sanya parliament na fe amendments ake shi constitution fe ni ha power ke ha president dey ba la ke shi ka fe no go abake power from above aba ji fe president sai but na fe ni ke law ko alogo ba lodoko ni ba Ghana ni ehin law ni deal with the president or any person at all in Ghana abenu je enyo le unwe ipi enisani government afi ekomeji about education boni president afi it's good that him from higher school ya very important ke am fame but afi bo se ku e bi fe no afọ me ni you know ba afi am to mo ni le lo ika ke do ko wa ko sign no nyo sign alo nyo kan ye nyo sign o kan mi dan lo sign onje tele wo sa na be mo de ake ma fe shikani ba fe abu akun ta papako abu ma shika akun ta papako ni shika ni finance minister say ke governor say na dio na fa shika ke dibe na ke shika ma mi shi won pin aje fe bona fe ni ke be bien ya school ni ke education le no is very good important is very good third le nwe oni di potenji sani ye ni yo mami ni amechu ni tomo woleke okwafoi can me fe anyo apia mi na me say because ameji me unity tree na me ha wo dan ma na me yawo na bu wole kra ke shike amefe do ko ana ke sha me yawo wo me ne me ameje egbu me kuma ji ami sha me is very important come to school na me le na me yawo we na me je wo aba sani wo na me ha wo ni wo yo sani anya apia me ka me boy na me gbo ana me sheko na me I'm going for a living. No, you must feel like I'm a fair will go for a fair appear me. He was a come back. I'm a ball. Now I'm a Nigel because Bole, cock, bope, only fair ya, on your opportunity to move, Bodo, you brand new. One my fair name, a fair provision for that. Koni a man, a Kashi, Koni Mugaga, you know, against the president, she present as you need, if it again, the acquire man be. Oh, you manche, no manche, you are no more, no more, man be almost yame, bone more a beshi. Wo na kama jeli fe aje fa acha asui bona fe na ka wale awo man bi ade ko man bi hu anye amgani atuni amgani man bi atuni bi amgani government atuni ko ni fe pa fa do ma ja ba
first members na ka sama settlement wage man obia is involved in corruption men square no I will make sure say make set example for my members from first afa judicial system no obia some cost are delay do oh in some part it delay and I any example ma am for be brave I feel so if you come too much I confirm na dey chunwa e do I say clean gutters area job wo bia wo fi colleague na no we are there ele ko choko no ko ejimo and if we area na ka so we ejimo ho a sa na betwa na fi ejima sem so eyedin ejima sem eyedin we make sure say ejima begbu obi a ho ato no na say yes no obi ben ya hoto me me president na me kan na fi chrono some so doso chrono some so there I say security you know you employ more na fi most of them should be in mufti on be mingle in the vantage points on be to meet information ma ban na ya reti corporate ma abua o man no I feel say you mosque in the church cramp no you bet me you set up vantage points baby because we are with them confirm we are with them but we don't expose them oh and even our churches na even na dey inara mosque na dey inara say you set up vantage points one marketplaces na dey inara was a schools best na dey inara eba boa ma kronsam agwade na met my yan no yeah
our Ghana ha I'll put prudent measures into prudence yeah yet things as they should be managed. It won't be like your sikafo and your class kind of thing where everybody is just doing what there have to be things have to be done according to the needs of the people. What I mean, the needs, what here as people, that class where there is some class of people where they are only enjoying, like MPs are enjoying only. It won't be a thing of the past. We are going to put prudent measures down. Say farming now, you better tackle farming as you tackle. A police, a roader, where roads are needed, the road will build. And bridges are road will build. Wow. And I see a pet, and then the home, I say, how we manage our economy, how we run our economy. Cocoa, wait. What kind of income does it bring? We have to harness it so that the whole country will benefit. But I want to say, but only a few people enjoy it. It doesn't make sense. Yes, and we have to manage it that everybody when there. Why some people are drinking water, for instance, some people are drinking pipe-borne water, others are drinking river water. Yes, okay,
that.
Everybody has to be considered as a citizen, and we should manage us so that we all, as a people, enjoy the wealth of the country. Well, we are going to do things as it should be done, not just what these politicians are doing. I don't know. I don't know how.
Well, I believe in empowering the human resource, and now the democratic derivative is something that the people are not benefiting from. I think if you're able to empower the youth to be creative and think outside the box, they can bring something on board for all of us to better from. So my main target will be on the youth. Anything about empowering them and making them skilled, if it's through symposiums, anything. I think that's what's up. That's what's up.
I like the film. Is that all you have?
Well, then we also deal with the 1 or 2. I think Ghana hardly practices what we call maintenance culture. Yes, a lot of things around are deteriorating, and I think we'll also try and then do some refurbishment of things and revise our casual way of doing things. I assume that things that we do, for example, the World Cup stuff and things are not so economical. So I think we'll revise the way we do things and we'll take that from there.
I told me Grace.
Okay. Maybe so will say there are more opportunities now by president of Ghana and then person now by Abwa or mine.
Can you by a president of Ghana? No name mafia Ghana ji. Maha no chumo. Mato no chumo or name here and be no chumo na me yo Ghana. Mafia America salmon in no chumo na make a yeni. Call my belly body say na me want make any be about no one you work a quiet Jimmy. No one on what fish kakela.
Measure say opening be we discover mine mu de e so tuaka na ye disese ekuro no 2 wow wo like say we sika wosoro na wontumi fan ye bibi no and say crofo na oda prison na wonim ho hwe na oda akoche won me street boy about street boy there osuma na ankofo eni nuanom nti measure say wa hu ni asem ya de e say me ye de me yi ufin na to opening be we discover hu hia ne de Deje mle so me na ka bibi kire me sambre no enyenderim bi sisi Ghana say ube hu aboflo ko school kura no kura i4 o WhatsApp o class teaching to me nka hwe school na say that time ko school na ye this time ni nti no me hwe say school no tetemle na wo ko no be ne sa sisi no so no a wo ma ye no first and second no ye betwim ama sisi ndruba bi blegu COVID-19 by was say ebe by the woman you into the measure say a kwan and if our filling station now filling now ma tutu petrol no mo bete so just petrol no obi kura car and me say me driver me license she me ko to police here into no say obi ade says eko na say ya no one into the measure say betete ne o maso na no ma to ko mi.
Hello guys, so this is where we end our interviews today. I had a lot of fun today because I got to hear the opinions and the views of people. A lot of people have great ideas of governing Ghana and promoting Ghana. And I hope you also love this. I'm still your host, Mandy K. Catch you later.